Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little frustrated. Things have been going not quite as planned so far. If you guys haven't seen on my Instagram, and if you're not following me, you should follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed. It's always linked down below. But really weird hiccup happened to the Mustang. The brand new wheels and tires that we put on, two of them just kind of exploded. Not sure what happened. My wife was just on her way to work. Two of them on the same side. She said it didn't even look like she hit like a pothole or anything like that. It was a small divot in the road. Not really sure what happened. When I got there, you know, luckily I still had the stock pair, so I had to take the wheels off of that side, and I put her two stock ones on the rear and put like the two new ones in the front just to keep, you know, it just balanced. Basically I just wanted to keep it all balanced and everything like that. Didn't want to have different size wheels in the front and in the back and like the drive wheels and stuff like that. But looking at the wheels and everything like that, there's no damage to the actual wheel. The tire, I was trying to figure out like where all the air came out of, because they were like flat. I don't even know. That was just really frustrating. I have them inside of the Jeep now. We still gotta go figure out what happened with those. Literally just bought those, and that just kind of sucked. And then with the Corvette, so I actually did reach out to a couple of different shops and everything like that, trying to help diagnose that starter key issue. The one shop, which actually I know a lot of people, like the Corvette forum says they do a lot of stuff, performance stuff to the Corvettes. They said they don't really work on electric issues, so I'm kind of like, that sucks. But they did give me contact information for someone who does tuning and everything like that, because I know eventually I do want to get it tuned. But yeah, not gonna lie to you, man, it's been kind of frustrating just trying to, the whole Mustang wheels thing, the wheels and tires, that kind of sucks. So literally just put them on. I didn't even get a chance to do anything with them. I wanted to honestly go out to the canyons in the Mustang, get some nice like video, get some drone footage, and like really like take the Mustang out to the canyons. But as you see behind me, it's pouring out in California every day. It's been pouring. It is what it is. We have to go now. So I have the wheels and tires loaded up inside the Jeep. We still gotta take the dogs to the vet. They have to get their second vaccines for their, I forgot whichever vaccine it is. They need to get something updated. We have to take them to the vet. Also, want to see if I can stop at like a Pet Place or something like that. And then we still need to go to Disneyland today because for the theme park channel, we have a reservation to Disneyland. So we have to go there today as well. And it kind of sucks because it's raining out. So I'm probably not going to film anything for the theme park channel today because it's rainy. We probably won't stay very long, but it just sucks. Like all this stuff is just happening right now, but it is what it is. Looks like we got to put these inside the back seat because the dogs are going to be back here. Oh. Alright, let me do this real quick. Oh my god. So we're just waiting here at Pet Boys, and we will get the verdict to see what happens. The dogs are just in the back. It's so raining out, it sucks. I'm just waiting to see. Oh, he's looking at them now.
That's so funny. Here at Check Tires. Tires in back of Jeep, 2 loose tires.
Yeah.
Repairable if not tire size.
So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, maybe they can be repaired. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so this is technically a couple days later. We went to the shop. The tires could not be replaced because it was leaking out of the sidewall. So I guess I couldn't really even tell for myself, but it was leaking out of the sidewalls. I don't really know what happened. My only thought is that it must have, when she was driving, it must have bottomed out at some point in time and it just punctured from the side. I have no idea, but long story short, went to Pet Boys. The guys there actually, because I usually, that one I go to usually for like anything. They were actually like really cool there. Dude there was like, hey, listen, we could do it, but our machine would probably scratch your wheel. So they did refer me to another place that wasn't too far. They specialize in working with aftermarket wheels. I think we're gonna go there. What I'm gonna probably do is just order those same tires again, and then just bring the wheels and tires there, have them just replace it, just so I can just do that all in one swoop. It sucks, but it is what it is. Sometimes stuff like this happens, but you gotta be able to roll with the punches. I will say it does suck because we just spent, you know, hundreds of dollars getting these wheels and tires, and now we have to replace 2 brand new tires, but it is what it is. Honestly, having cars are expensive. Doing stuff to cars, they are expensive. Like literally anytime you do any type of modification, you are honestly taking a risk. It's expensive. You have to pay to play. It's not always fun. But then also, speaking of flowing with it, guys, you see this merch right here? If you guys don't know, I did update all of the merch. So you can get to it by going to the website, geeksforcars.com. Up on the top menu, you can go to the new Etsy store. So if you want to check out any of the new merch, they've been working hard to try to get better merch and useful stuff and useful products, and like make sure that I work with good companies that have good quality products. So now actually I have book bags, which you can order. So if you want, you can check that out. The link is down in the description, where you can go right to the Etsy store, or you can go up to the website, go up in the top banner or the top menu section and go right to the Etsy store from there. That's where we have all of the merch for the channel. But guys, honestly, sometimes in life stuff is gonna happen. You gotta be able to roll with the punches. You gotta be able to just kind of go with it. Is this frustrating? Yes, a little bit, especially because we are planning on doing another road trip very soon. So I have to make sure that the Jeep is 100% okay. So I'm going to be probably putting in, I just made an appointment to take the Jeep in to get the brakes done and to get the suspension looked at. So I want to make sure that is 100% correct. So I'm definitely going to be dropping some money into the Jeep probably. So I don't really want to have to be doing that into anything else right now. I really want to just make sure the Jeep is 100% correct, 100% ready to, and just good to go. But you know what though? You got to think positive, and I will say it could have been a whole lot worse. Who knows what could have happened? The tires could have exploded, could have crashed. It could have been just a whole lot worse. So in the grand scheme of things, does it suck a little bit, but it could be a whole lot worse. And honestly, I am grateful for that, and I will take my wins where I can get them. But guys, if you haven't checked out my last video, check this video out right here. Subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, continue to chase after your dreams. Let's get it.